Hey, so if you guys are looking for an easy way to keep track of your monthly bills and you want to know if I've paid them or have I not, this is a great spreadsheet for you to use. This is my bill planner spreadsheet. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. So here's how it works. So we're going to just start here, and I'm going to just delete all of this so you can see this row. So let's just say we have our power bill. So this is going to be our power bill. And then we're going to do the drop down box in the categories, and we're going to call it the utilities company. So let's just say Power Co Energy, whatever yours is. And you can put your due date in there. So let's just say it's the 22nd. And say you owe $245.52. And how much did you pay? Did you pay it all? Did you pay some? So say you only paid $100 of it. We're not going to check that off because it's not completely paid. And then you paid it with, let's say, a check. 25, and then still owe, but no, still owe $100. Okay, so say you came back and you paid it again. You can come in and say you paid the whole thing. You can check this off. And then you did, say you did a card that time and you went back and you paid it on the 25th, and you can just delete that note out. So this chart will show you how much of your bills are unpaid, how much you have to pay. So this will calculate everything in this column, what the amount is. And then the total paid, that's everything in this column. And then the difference is going to be the unpaid. This chart is going to tell you which one of your categories has the most amount. So you can see, if you click on it, you can see it showing the total amounts for each category. So if you wanted to change anything in the category, if you're in Google Sheets, you hit the drop down box, you hit the edit button, and then you can scroll down and add another item. And so say we want to call it subscriptions. You can do the drop down here, customize, and you can change your color for whatever works for you, and then hit OK, and then hit done. Let's see. Yes, we want to apply to all, and then it will show up everything in all the drop down boxes. So that's how it works. If you wanted to do this separately for each month, so say this is your bills for February, you wanted to move it to March, you can just hit this drop down box here, hit the duplicate button, rename, and then we'll just call this March bills. And then, we can just highlight everything and then hit the delete key, and then you can just start from scratch. And then that way, and then you can even make this as a template. So if we wanted to just drag all this down and make this a template, this can be your template, and you can rename it, bills template. And that way, when you have a new month, you can just duplicate it and rename it. So that's how that works. If you're using this in Excel, the only difference is the paid box will not be there. You'll just have to put an X that you paid it. So that'll work still. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and y'all have a wonderful day.